So today I thought I'd show you one of my favorite recipes to cook with broccolini. We're going to do a grilled broccolini on the barbecue with a tomato, anchovy and olive sauce. Now, I'm out here in my backyard tonight. I'm going to cook it up on the Weber, but you can also cook it inside on a grill pan. So I've got an oven or barbecue safe fry pan here. I'm going to put that straight over the heat and get that nice and hot. And the first thing I'm going to add to that is a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Then I've got some diced onions to go straight into that. Nice hot pan. Get those onions cooking, caramelizing, and start getting the sugars out of there. And to that, we're going to add one of my favorite ingredients in the kitchen, which is anchovies. They go so well with broccolini. We give it like a nice sweet saltiness rather than just a real fishy flavor, which is perfect for this dish. Once the anchovies melt and start to soften into our sauce, we can add in our garlic. Just a couple of garlic cloves sliced. A couple of chili flakes in there, just enough to season, give it a little bit of warmth. So we're going to add in a tin of tomatoes, just diced tomatoes. All we're going to do is just cook this down and thicken it up. Now we're going to marinate our broccolini. Pretty simple. We're going to add some salt, some olive oil, but we're also going to add some slices of lemon. Just slice it into nice thin rounds and add that into our marinating process. But when you cook them, they go nice and charred and sweet. Next ingredient for our marinade is just a bit of garlic. So we're just going to grate some garlic over the top of our broccolini and get in between those florets. It was nice garlic flavor throughout the dish. And then we can add a pinch of salt and some olive oil in with the garlic. And that's our perfect marinade for our broccolini. Then we're just going to give the broccolini a little massage to make sure all those marinade ingredients mix through the floret. Now to finish up our sauce, a couple of extra ingredients. Some capers, add some olives. Olives just roughly chopped. You can see here our sauce is thickened up, so I'm just going to move it to the side, let it stay warm, and now it's time to barbecue that broccolini. It shouldn't take long to grill our broccolini, just want to make sure we cook it on both sides, probably 1 or 2 minutes, but it won't take long, which is again one of the great things about this recipe. And to go with our broccolini, we're going to add our lemons onto the grill as well and get them just charred and caramelized. Our broccoli is done, we can start taking that off and putting it straight into a nice serving platter. You can serve this nice big share style and just start building up layers on our platter. This dish really is that quick. That is our delicious dish done. It's all about that beautiful barbecued broccolini with a tomato and anchovy sauce. And this month is all about cooking with broccolini to support the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation. So this month, get to Coles, get some broccolini in your trolley and get cooking. Thanks guys, I'll see you soon.